Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about FiveM Server Error Code 28. The error reads, failed handshake to server. Timeout was reached. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to join a specific server in FiveM but are unable to complete the connection. According to our research, the error occurs when the connection to the server times out. In some cases, it may also happen if the server provider has blocked your IP address. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your router. Restarting may assign you a different IP address, which could help you bypass the issue. So restart the router, and once the router restarts, try joining the server again. If the error still comes, try enabling a VPN on your connection. Some users have reported that using a VPN resolved the issue for them. So if you have access to a reliable VPN, then enable the VPN and try to connect to the server. If the error still persists, then your IP might be blocked by the server provider. In that case, reach out to the server provider and inform them about the issue. Ask if your IP is blocked and request them to unblock it. At last, if the error still persists, try to keep retrying the connection. Some users have shared that repeatedly trying to connect eventually let them into the server. So some continue retries and check if this helps with the error. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.